February 15th, 2019. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Yeah. Just opened a La Croix. Those are delicious. So bubbly. Let me throw my phone over here away from the computer. I noticed we got a little kind of weird vibration noises coming on. I think it has something to do with the phone. I'm just going to leave it over there. Okay, let's check it out. The market's $116 billion. Trading sideways. Bitcoin, BTC, USD is at $3,575. More sideways action there. Also, let's move on to stay in it. XRP, USD is 30 cents. Okay, well, more sideways and stay out of it. XRP BTC is still going down. Looks like we're at 8,335 satoshis currently, and looks like money flow is kind of leaving the building. Stay out of it. LTC USD is at $42.20 currently. Stay out of it. I think we're still going down. We had a real nice pump yesterday up to about 44.20-ish, something around there, and it pulled back pretty hard to right about where we're at now. I did anticipate the ABC correction, 1, 2, the A, B, and then the C coming down. It's an anticipation. I'm not saying that it will happen. Remember, this going down is always a hope and a dream. It doesn't mean that it will, but we were thinking about this from way back here. So far, it's panning out okay. LTC USD, stay out of it. LTC BTC is at 1,179 satoshis. We have basically the same thing here. We got out at the very top and are coming down. Stay out of it. ETH BTC is at 3,380 satoshis. So we're still in this. Ethereum is still looking real good here. We're right in the middle of the Kumo cloud, just kind of cruising along here. We may come up and test that 200-day moving average, but I'd love to see enough strength to punch through and maybe go higher. That would be great. I got a goal here. I got goals, man, of 3,850 sats, I think is what I'm at. Let's go 3,850 sats. And, oh, what? That's not right. 385. Okay, and we're just gonna put that in here. That's where I think we're gonna go. Okay, I'm not saying it'll happen, but that's just my thought. Oh, let's make that sats. Got it. Okay, boom. All right, so 3,380. I think we could go a lot higher, almost 500 more sats up, but that's my goal. Stay in it. ETH USD $120 currently. Stay in it. Looks like everything's just moving sideways. We are just trending sideways here. ETH USD, how come we got that twice? Oh, that's BCH USD. I'm sorry. Bitcoin Cash on the USD is $120 currently. We're right on the line here. We may end up selling soon, but so far we're going to stay in it. Money flow is okay. We're really waiting for RSI to give a golden cross and to punch higher. If it does, if it doesn't, it'll dump out. Remember, set your stops on your Bitcoin Cash if you haven't already. Our low so far was like $117. So right now at 120, we're doing okay, but we're still in it. But remember, set your stops. Bitcoin Cash SV. This is a BTC, right? Bitcoin Cash SV BTC. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Still going down here. We had basically our death cross happened just a little bit ago. It looked like it was going to try to rally, and then it dumped back out again. We didn't buy into this rally. Not really concerned. It never proved itself, so stay out of it. At 17,194 Satoshis. Stay out of it. Zetcoin USD is, this is USDC, I'm sorry, on the 1 day for Coinbase is $50.64. It's still bullish. Stay in it. ETC, Ethereum Classic USD, is $4.11. Ethereum Classic is on the 1 day for Coinbase and looking good. What happened to my, oh, here it is. It dropped out. There we go. All right, we're back in it. Yeah, we're still in it. It's looking good. ZRX. 0x, stay out of it. Still going down. Not looking good. Basic attention token, still looking good. Like BAT, USDC is at 13 cents now. Remember, we got in around 11, so things are looking good here. Yeah, it's been a really great little run for this. We'll see where it takes us. So far, I love the money flow. It's coming in hot. Digibyte BTC, stay out of it. We're lacking some volume and money flow is just kind of stagnant. TRX, Tron. Remember I said the other day, don't worry about it if it dips out and then comes back out. I'm looking for a retest of this 50-day moving average that's coming around here. I need a retest, a back test of that, and then it'll fail. That's fine with me. It could be coming inbound. I'm not sure, but Tron, BTC, stay out of it. Boy, we're looking good on that trade. How about Theta token? Well, yesterday we put in a sell on Theta right here on the 14th of February. Today's the 15th, and we're getting more continuation on the downside. So far, we're going to stick with this sell right at the top. Hopefully, that's it. Yeah, things are starting to dump here. Looking good. OMG is still a buy. Stay in it. We're at $1.17 on the USD 1 day for Bitfinex trade. Dash USD, stay in it. Looking good. I hope that if you're looking at Dash, you got it back on the 9. Okay, we don't want to buy at the top. I guess that was a 6-day run up with a 2-day pullback that finished on the 9. That's your entry point. So hopefully you got it on the 777.50 area and are now running up, looking good with some profit. That's awesome. Here we go. Yep, stay in it for now. I know we're getting a pullback on the RSI, so it does have me a little bit concerned. But hopefully we'll get more continuation of the upside later after some more sideways action. Proppy, PRO, stay out of it. Proppy is dumping at 3,022 Satoshis. Populous, PPT, BTC on the 1 day for Binance is going sideways. Yeah, there's nothing to see here, people. Stay out of it. Ambrosis USD, stay out of that. Humanique, stay out of that. It's just a non-performer. ADA is on the cusp of selling. We're going to need a little more volume and a little more money flow out of this, and hopefully our RSI can flip over and run higher. I'm not really sure where we're going to go with this, but I like the setup right here. This low, high, lower, high. Now we can run a little higher. That would be great. So we're staying in it for now. We're at that kind of critical decision area to figure out what's going to happen here, but we're in it. NPX, Pundi X, looking good here. What do we have? We're up 5.74% already on today's candle. We are in it since basically the 10th of February when we got back in it after some more sideways. Hopefully Pundi can show us the way and lead higher, but for now we're in it. Neo BTC is looking strong right now. I like it. Stay in it. We're at 2,267 Satoshis on the 1 day for Bitfinex. Neo, stay in it. XTZ Tezos. Oh yeah, baby. Look at this. We got in. Is this right? Yes, it is. I just had to make sure I was looking at the right one. Tezos, we got in right here on the 13th of February, and we are pulling it off. This is so sweet, man. Hang on. Look at that candle. Are you serious? Did that just happen? I was telling you, Tezos, a little while back ago, Tezos looks like, I got to dig deeper into that project because there's something happening here. Something big. It has to do with real estate and some other things too. Also, we have a very, very low market cap coin here. Might be something you'd want to pile into. Just saying. Tezos looking real good. QLC chain, QLC BTC on the 1 day for Binance. We're at 634 sats. Stay out of it. Aeon BTC. Okay, Aeon has failed to produce anything here. Wow, what happened? You guys, we're gonna have to get out of Aeon. It's not. It just had total meltdown here on this chart. We're gonna switch it over to a sell. Boom, we're out of it. Aeon not looking good. Doge still not performing. I do like, however, that Doge came up on the 0 line on RSI, so we have an opportunity to push higher if we want. It's just, we just gotta wait for the market and see what it does. But so far, stay out of Doge. How about HOT? HOT token is doing well. Look at this movement. Oh, I like this a lot. Let's take a look at indicators. I like it. Let's get in. HOT token right there. Boom. Yes. We're gonna switch this one over to green. BTT. Okay, stay in it. It's still looking good. I figured we'd come down, trade in a triangle either today or tomorrow. We'll have a break to see which way it goes, but so far it's looking good. BTT, BitTorrent, Bitcoin on the 1 day for Binance. That's what it is at 26 satoshis. XLM, Stellar Lumens. Okay, Stellar. All Stellar needs right now is volume. Okay, it's got everything. It just needs volume. If volume comes in here, I'm telling you what, Stellar has been a full-blown dog. We've almost doubled our Stellar holdings by getting out up here. Even with 2 fake outs, it's no big deal. We got out immediately. This could be another fake out. I'm not buying into it yet. I need to see volume come in here, but otherwise this looks really good for a setup right now. Doesn't mean that it's going to happen. It could push lower, or it could pump. I'm not really sure either way, but we're gonna sit back and we're gonna watch what this does. This tomorrow's candle could be something important. I'm not sure, but so far we're gonna stay out of it. BNB, stay out of it. We're still going down. We did get a nice uptick right here, but the rest of my indicators are kind of looking not that great. I'll just say that it doesn't look that great yet. So yeah, we're gonna stay out of that and head on back to Bitcoin at $3,576. Guys, stay in it. Remember, when you're trading, this is super simple. I want you guys to be like Cool Hand Luke, okay? I want you to be like him. I don't want you to ever get freaked out about the markets, or even be cool like Clint Eastwood. Man, that guy was bad, let me tell you. And I'm not talking about like Clint Eastwood, the man. I'm talking about Clint Eastwood, the characters that he played as a cowboy. He never, nothing rattled his cage. So when you see stuff, you know, where, oh, it's getting kind of thin right here, we're not sure, it could dump or it could go up. You know, these Cool Hand Luke characters, they would just, you know, or Clint Eastwood, they just handle it. You know, it's not a big deal. They never got rattled, and I don't want you to let the markets rattle you either. Okay, that's all I got for today. God bless you guys. Thanks for joining me. Boy, that's good. La Croix. We'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm out.